If you are preparing for Senior 3 Entrepreneurship National Examination, this video is for you. This is a science family. Today, I'm going to correct National Examination of Entrepreneurship Senior 3 2024-2025. I will show you the full marking guide with a clear explanation so you can understand and pass with higher marks. Make sure you watch until the end because section C is where most students lose marks. This paper has three sections, A, B, and C. Section A attempt all questions, Section B attempt any three questions, and Section C attempt any two questions. Let's start. Section A attempt all questions in this section. Question 1. Which personal skills would be most useful for an entrepreneur to establish strong relationship with clients? The correct answer is this one, letter B. Entrepreneur need to understand customers' feelings to build strong relationship. Let's continue by question 2. Match the following explanations with the correct characteristics of an entrepreneur. We have characteristics and explanation. A. We have risk taking. What do you think about risk taking? Risk taking, match 2, I3. Assess the losses and the profits related to the business. Disciplined, what do you think? Disciplined, match 2, IV. Ability to control him or herself and his actions. Next is commitment. Commitment, match 2, V. Determined to fulfill all the obligations. D. Self-confidence. What do you think? Self-confidence, it match to I2. Trusting his own powers and abilities. The last one is opportunity. Opportunity match to the remaining one, I. Spot chance available even where other cannot see. Let's continue by question 3. Basing on the following statement, what is the service? The correct answer is letter D. It is an intangible and cannot be touched. A service, for example, teaching, a transport, and not a physical. Intangible cannot be touched. Let's continue by question 4. Which of the following is the money earned from job or business? The correct answer is letter C, income. Income is money earned from work or business. Let's continue by question 5. The common challenge faced by entrepreneurs. The correct answer is letter C, financial risk and uncertainties. Entrepreneurs face risk like a loose and unstable market. Question 6. Match the goal setting term with its correct definition. We have goal setting term and their definition. You see this goal setting and match to its own definition. Start from I, specific. What do you think specific? Specific, it match to C, The goal should be detailed and clear defined. Next is measurable. What do you think? Measurable, it matches to D. The goal should have clear criteria for success. Next, achievable. What do you think? Achievable, it matches to A. The goal should be completable based on available resources. Last one is a time bound. What do you think? Time bound match to B. The goal should have a clear start and end point. Let's continue by question 7. Match the concept with correct description in the table below. We have concept and their description. A, we have economic development. What do you think? Economic development match to I2, the process of improving the economic condition of a country. B, social development. What do you think? Social development match to I1, the improvement of social conditions like education, health, and equity. C, employment opportunities. What do you think? Employment opportunities match to IV, availability of jobs or positions in the workforce that people can apply for and fill. The last one is work. Work match to I3. Any activity involving physical or mental efforts that is done in order to achieve a result or earn money. Next, question 8. Which of the following best define a market? The correct answer is letter B. Any environment where buyers and sellers exchange goods and service. Question 9. Match the following types of resources with appropriate explanation for each. We have resources type and their explanation. What do you think about nature resources? Nature resources match to I3. These are provided freely by God and they facilitate operation of different activities. B. Human resources. What do you think? Human resources it match to IV. This involves skills and ability that are used to perform work in the enterprise. Next, C. Information resources. What do you think? Information resources match to I2. This looks at the position of the required knowledge on having data for the success of business. D. Financial resources. What do you think? Financial resources match to the remaining one, I. These are necessary for buying needed inputs. Next, question 10. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. A. To pursue a career in engineering, you would first need to complete a specific degree program in engineering. Is it true or false? This statement is true. You need first to complete a specific degree program in engineering. B. Pupils should choose careers based only on how much money they can make. Is it true or false? This statement is false because to choose to choose a career does not only how much money they can make. This is false. C. A career assessment can help individuals understand their strengths and guide them toward suitable career path. Is it true or false? This statement is true because a career assessment it helps you to understand or to know your strength and weakness. Question 11. Which of the following is an example of a poor service? The correct answer is letter B, a chef in a restaurant who does not bring the menu and fails to inform about unavailable items. A poor service, not serving customer properly, or not use good communication. Let's continue by question 12. If a country specializes in research and technology service, it is likely to have a strong, what do you think? The correct answer is letter D, quaternary, because this sector deals with knowledge, research, and technology. Let's see question 13. Which of the following is the most significant reason why customs authorities impose import duties? The correct answer is letter B, to protect local industries and generate revenue. This here, importing duties protect local industries and raise government revenue. Question 14. Which section of a business plan provides details about target market? The correct answer is letter D, marketing plan. Here it includes target market details. Question 15. Which of the following is the negative impact of business activity on the environment? The correct option is deforestation. Deforestation, it harms the environment, for example, climatic change. It leads to global warming and also greenhouse effect. Let's continue by section B. Attempt any 3 questions. Analyze the following items and classify them as fixed asset and current asset. Use tick to show classification. We have items, fixed asset and current asset. Prepaid rent. Prepaid rent. Prepaid rent is a current asset. Cash at bank. Cash at bank is current asset. Machinery. Machinery is a fixed asset. Cash at hand. Cash at hand is a current asset. Motor vehicle. Motor vehicle is a fixed asset. Stock. Stock is a current asset. Furniture. Furniture is a fixed asset. Debtors. Debtors is a current asset. Paid electricity. Paid electricity is a current asset. Bicycle. Bicycle is a fixed asset. And then you get your 10 marks. Let's continue by question 17. The following are transactions made by Kabano Trade in month of July 2018. July 6th, purchase of wheelbarrow at 85,000 from Kabira. July 12th, purchase of office equipment at 227,460 from Moneza. July 19, receive cash of 500,000 from Tom, prepared general journal for Kabano Trade. Preparing general journal for Kabano Trade, the first you can know, purchase wheelbarrow, purchase office equipment, always purchase. Purchase is debt, means that purchase wheelbarrow is debt, Kabera is credit. Purchase office equipment is debit, Moneza is credit. Receiving cash, received cash is debt, means that this cash is debt, Tom is credit. You see here in the table, okay, here. You see July 6, wheelbarrow in debt, Kavela in credit. July 12, office equipment in debt, Moneza in debt. July 19, cash in debt, Tom in credit. You see. Next question 18. Peter is a teacher who earns 100,000 francs. He has discovered that he does not manage his finance well. To solve his problem, he has decided to make a personal budget every month to know how much he should save. He expects that following the budget strict will enable him to go through the month without having to blow other money. Explain any 5 laws you think the budget will play in his life. Explain any 5 roles you think the budget will play in his life. Let's see question 8, question 18. Roles of budget, we have helps control spending, encourage saving, prevent debts, help plan future expense, improves financial discipline. Budget helps manage income. Let's continue by question 19. Business enterprise play a major role in promoting economic development in the country. As a student in Senior 3, explain to your community any 5 economic benefits of enterprise to Rwanda. The correction of that question is here. Economic benefit of enterprise. The first, create employment. Second, generate income. Third, pay tax to government. Fourth, promote innovations. Third, improves living standard. Let's continue by section C. Attempt any two questions. Question 20. Given the list of workers of forbade enterprise and their monthly salary as shown below. This question is from Senior 2. Kamariza get 260,000. Kamariza gets 150,000. Muhire gets 54,000. Nakure gets 300,000. A. Determine the total monthly personal income tax to be paid by each worker. B. Calculate the total tax paid by BET enterprise to Rwanda Revenue Authority for all its workers. Let's see step by step for this question. To this question 20. A. We are going to see monthly tax to be paid by each worker. Let's start by Akiman. Akiman gets 260,000. Before you calculate or before you do this question, you can know the range of tax in Rwanda. Between 0 to 60,000 salary is equal to 0%. Step 2. Between 60,000 to 100,000 is equal to 10%. Step 3. Between 100,000 to 200,000 salary is equal to 20%. Step 4. Between 200,000 above salary is equal to 13%. You are going to follow that. Step 1. 16 negative 0 is equal to 16 and then times 0 over 100 is equal to 0. Step 2, we take 100,000 negative 60,000 times 10% is equal to 4,000. And go to step 3. Between, we take 200,000 negative, this 100,000 times 20%, we get 20,000. Step 4, we take 260,000 negative 200,000 times 3%, you get 18,000, and then you calculate or you make a total. You take step 1 0 plus step 2 4,000 plus step 3 20,000 plus step 4 80,000 and add, you get 42,000. This means 42,000 is a total monthly income tax to be paid by Akiman. Next is monthly income tax to be paid by Kamariza. Kamariza gets 150,000. This Kamariza we follow three step because we follow step of 0 to 60 equals 0%. We follow step of 100,000 to with 60,000 to 100,000. We follow 100,000 to 50,000. You see here we get 0, here we get 4,000, Here we get 10,000 and then add this step. 0 plus 4,000 plus 10,000. You get 14,000. Means that this 14,000 is a total monthly income tax to be paid by Kamariza. Third, the monthly income tax to be paid by Muhire. Muhire gets 54,000. This 54,000 on step 1 is below 60,000. Step 1 is range between 0 to 60,000 is equal to 0%. That is why we get 50,000 negative 0 times 0%. You get 0. Means that Muhire is exempted. Monthly income tax to be paid by Nakule. Nakule gets 300,000. This 300,000 we follow 4 steps. Step 1 we get 0. Step 2 we get 4,000. Step 3 we get 20,000. Step 4 we get 30,000 and then add 0, 4,000, 20,000 and 30,000. We get 54,000. This one is a total monthly tax paid by Nakure. Let's continue by question B, total tax paid by Bet Enterprise to Rwanda Revenue Authority. We take Akimana, total monthly income tax paid by Akimana 42,000, added to monthly income tax to be paid by Kamariza 14,000, added to monthly income tax total paid by Muhire 0 and added to total income tax paid by Nakure 54,000. As you see here, you get 110,000. If you have question to this, please type in comment and make sure you enter in national examination. You understand where this content. Question 21. Assume your friend is in charge of customer care in any company. Advise him or her on any 5 principles of customer care. Yeah. Let's see the correction for this question. Principle of customer care. The first, respect customer. Second, good communication. Third, quicker service. Fourth, honest. 5, listen to customer. Let's continue by question 22. Your friend wants to start a business. She or he asks you to show her or him key element of a business plan that must be put into consideration when preparing it. Let's see correction. Element of a business plan. Question 1. Executive summary. Second is business description. Third is market analysis. Fourth is marketing plan. 5 is financial plan. The last one is organization structure. This is the end of this national examination. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you so much for your comments. Thank you so much for your asking to solve this national examination. Please, if you want another examination, type in comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share to your student. Thank you so much. God bless you and good luck in your national examination.